Welcome back everyone, back with another video, and today we're going down to a charity car wash for a little boy called Owen Thomas. He's got a really rare form of cancer and he has to basically get enough money to go to America to get some life-saving surgery. So yeah, we're going to go down there, support the cause. There's going to be some really cool cars down there. I found out about this through the D Unit Club on Facebook, so shout out to those guys, and for the guy who posted it in there and making everyone aware. So there should be some cool car clubs down there and some really nice cars. Afterwards, we're going to go past Owen's house because he's actually not well enough to go and attend the event, make some noise because he loves cars basically. So it's going to be decent. So we're here, the cars are pretty sick. There's a car next to us, it's Golf, we'll have a look at it now. I have never heard a sound system like it in my life. It's unbelievable. We got Mater from Cars over there, so we're going to have a look at him. And we just had a photo with Nessa from Gavin and Stacey, so that was quite cool. It cost me £1 though, well it cost me £1, sorry, 50p each. But yeah, let's have a look at the cars and then see what happens. Yeah, it's mad to see like so many people actually out here. They're obviously friends of his from school and that. They're all chipping in to wash the cars and stuff like that. Everyone's donating, which is cool. But there's a really nice 350 over there, and I've got like a soft spot in my heart for it. It's just like, it's just one of them cars. I think everyone loves it if you know about cars anyway. And that guy with the Golf is also on bags, and it's setting off everyone's car alarms because it's so loud. I've never heard anything like it. This is why I got a soft spot for it. It's just so clean. So clean. Nicely labelled for all the amateurs out there. Quite a big box to the breakthrough, isn't it? Then have a look at that one as well. That's like before and after.
You see how much room was in there when I used to do the timing belt on it the other day?
You could get in there.
I've seen it.
What else?
Don't worry. And then we got a big wing gang over here.
Wing line.
Yeah. This adds 35 horsepower. I'm talking about big wings. That's more like it, I reckon.
So much better.
Yeah, so Owen has actually just left the hospital and I think he's going to come down and check out the cars and all stuff. All of his friends are here and stuff. So that'll be cool when he arrives. And we missed an Aston Martin DB11, brand new, delivered yesterday. Human! You know, so that was a bit of fun, decent. It's nice to see some of the guys that you only like speak to on Facebook and social media and that. Good turnout, the kids were all happy, and I think Owen actually did make an appearance, but we had to shoot off a little bit early. got work to do, man. But yeah, make sure you come back in a couple of weeks' time. Fingers crossed the weather is better, and then we can actually get a reveal on my card done, so you guys can actually know what's happened to it rather than just seeing little clips of it here and there. Make sure you click the link below so you can actually donate to Owen's cause. I think we're on about 25 grand at the moment. So yeah, anything that you do is obviously greatly appreciated. Yeah, thank you for watching. Click the like button, subscribe, post notifications, all of that stuff.